वेलकम टू बी लर्न वर्चुअल लर्निंग नेटवर्क में आपका स्वागत है। सेशन नंबर 8 एसिड्स, बेस एंड सॉल्ट। टॉपिक टू बी कवर्ड इन दिस सेशन: इंट्रोडक्शन, डिफरेंस बिटवीन एसिड्स एंड बेसिस, indicators, properties of acids, strong and weak acids, corrosive nature, chemical formulas of acids, properties of bases, names and chemical formulas of bases, strong and weak bases, water and dissociations of acids and bases, the definition of pH, classification of pH values, the pH scales, and water, salt. Now, introduction. Acids, bases. Bronsted-Lowry acids and bases. A Bronsted-Lowry acid is a substance that can denote a hydrogen ion aka H+. A Bronsted-Lowry base is a substance that can accept a hydrogen ions. Acids and bases occurs as conjugate acids base pairs. एसिड्स कौन से होते हैं? ऐसे सब्सटेंस जो कि एक हाइड्रोजन आयन को देने के लिए, लॉस करने के लिए तत्पर होते हैं, उनको हम एसिड्स कहते हैं। और जो एक हाइड्रोजन आयन को एक्सेप्ट करने के लिए तत्पर होते हैं, उनको हम बेसिस कहते हैं। डिफरेंस बिटवीन एसिड्स एंड बेसिस। फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज के अकॉर्डिंग हम इनका डिफरेंस दे सकते हैं, केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज के अकॉर्डिंग भी दे सकते हैं। दोनों को मिलाकर के एसिड्स में टेस्ट सॉर, जबकि बेसिस का टेस्ट वाइटर होता है। एसिड्स आर कोरोसिव टू मेटल्स, बेसिस फील्स सिल्परी और सॉपी। Acids are change blue litmus red papers, whereas bases change red litmus blue. Acids become less acidic on mixing with bases, and bases becomes less basic on mixing with acids. So these are the difference between acids and base. Now, indicators. There are many substances that shows one color in an acidic medium and another color in a basic mediums. Such substances are called acid-base indicators. For example, indicator litmus, color in acidic solution red, color in neutral solution purple, कलर इन बेसिक सॉल्यूशन ब्लू। तो हम लिटमस से पता लगा सकते हैं कि सॉल्यूशन किस चीज का है। यदि लिटमस पेपर को एसिडिक सॉल्यूशन में डालेंगे तो वो रेड हो जाएगा, न्यूट्रल सॉल्यूशन में डालेंगे पर्पल हो जाएगा, और यदि बेसिक सॉल्यूशन में डालते हैं, क्षारीय सॉल्यूशन में डालते हैं, तो ब्लू हो जाता है। इसी तरह से फिनोल्फ्थेलिन अगर एसिडिक सॉल्यूशन में डालते हैं कलरलेस हो जाता है, न्यूट्रल में डालेंगे तो भी कलरलेस हो जाता है, जबकि बेसिस में अगर डालते हैं तो पिंक कलर जनरेट होता है। सेम मिथाइल ऑरेंज यदि एसिडिक सॉल्यूशन में पुट करते हैं तो रेड कलर का हो जाता है, न्यूट्रल सॉल्यूशन में करेंगे ऑरेंज कलर का हो जाएगा, और यदि बेसिस सॉल्यूशन में डालते हैं तो येलो कलर हो जाता है। तो इस तरह से जो है अलग अलग तरह की प्रॉपर्टीज, अलग अलग तरह के इंडिकेटर्स होते हैं जिससे हम पता लगा सकते हैं कि सॉल्यूशन एसिडिक है, न्यूट्रल है या फिर बेसिक है। प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ एसिड्स। केमिस्ट क्लासिफाई substances by their properties. Like acids are substances that react with metals, and carbonates conduct electricity, turn blue litmus red, and neutralize bases. Acids also taste sour, but you should never taste chemical in alcohol. Very useful in food industry, act as preservatives like vinegar and lemon juices. Reactions with metals. Acids react with metals to produce hydrogen gas. For example, hydrochloric acids, that is HCl, react with metal zinc, Zn, produce hydrogen gas and zinc chloride. इसको हम सिंबॉलिकली इस तरह से प्रोड्यूस कर सकते हैं, प्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं। ट्वाइस HCl एक्वा प्लस Zn सॉलिड, दे रिएक्ट ईच अदर टू प्रोड्यूस हाइड्रोजन गैस प्लस जिंक क्लोराइड इन फॉर्म ऑफ एक्वा। इलेक्ट्रिकल conductivity. Many acids are good conductors of electricity. A solution can only conduct electricity if it contains ions. Since acids are molecular compounds, they do not contain ions. Now strong and weak acids. Strong acids, the acids which completely dissociate in water are called strong acids. The acids which dissociate partially in water are called weak acids. All organic acids like acetic acids, some inorganic acids are weak acids. Since their dissociation is only partial, it is depicted by double half arrows. Nitric acids completely dissociates in water like HNO3 aqua. It is split into parts, produce hydrogen aqua plus NO3 aqua. Corrosive nature. The ability of acids to attack various substances like metals, metal oxides and hydroxides is referred to as their corrosive nature. Strong is different from corrosive. The fluoride ion attacks the silicon atom in silica glass, while the hydrogen ion attacks the oxygen of silica, SiO2 in the glasses. So SiO2 silica in glass plus 4He HF hydrofluoric acids, they generate SiF4 यानी सिलिकॉन tetrafluoride plus twice of H2O, that means 2 substance of water. Chemical formulas of acids. All acids produce hydrogen ions when dissolved in water. Hydrogen ions gives acids their properties. The chemical formula of an acid begins with an H and is usually followed by an aqua. This is because an acid shows its properties when dissolved in water. Hydrogen chloride gas that would dissolve in water in lungs when inhaled equal to forming highly corrosive hydrochloric acids. Properties of bases. Bases conduct electricity, change the color of acids. Base indicators fill slippery and taste bitter. Taste and touch. Vases have a bitter taste and their solutions are soapy to touch. Actions on indicators. Indicator litmus, color in basic medium blue, phenolphthalein pink, methyl orange becomes yellow. Properties of bases. Electrical conductivity. Bases are electrolyte. That means their solutions are good conductor of electricity. For example, sodium hydroxide NaOH is an electrolyte because in water it separates into ions as it dissolved. For example, NaOH solid, then it break into two different parts, sodium aqua plus hydroxide OH aqua. Many common bases are ionic compounds. They are made up of iron, unlike acids. As they dissolved in water, their ions are released. Names and chemical formulas of bases. Base, sodium hydroxide, NaOH, calcium hydroxide, CaOH2, aqua, ammonium hydroxide, NH4OH, aqua, magnesium hydroxide, MgOH2, aqua, aluminum hydroxide, AlOH का whole 3, aqua, sodium hydrogen carbonate और baking soda NaHCO3, aqua. Strong and weak bases. Strong base. These bases are completely dissociate in water to form the cation and hydroxide ions OH. For example, potassium hydroxide dissociates as KOH aqua equal to K aqua plus OH aqua. There are only 8 strong bases. These are the hydroxide of the element of the group first and second of the periodic table. Weak bases. Weak bases do not finish oxide ions by dissociation. They react with water to furnish OH ions. So NH3 gas plus H2O equal to NH4OH. NH4OH aqua partially react and produce NH4 aqua plus OH aqua. Water and dissociations of acids and bases. When an acids like sulfuric acids or base like sodium hydroxide is dissolved in water, the solution that is formed is hotter. It shows that the dissolution process is exothermic. Many bases are ionic compounds and consist of ion even in the solid state. For example, sodium hydroxide consists of sodium and hydroxide ions. These ions are held very tightly due to the strong electrostatic forces between the oppositely charged ions. Amphoterism. An ions or molecules can act as an acids or base depending upon the reaction condition. Water in NH3 serves as an acidic, like H2O plus NH3 partially react to produce the NH4 plus OH, where H2O acids, then NH3 is base, it produces acids and base. Same as H2O plus CH3 CO2H, that means water in acidic acid serve as a base. H2O plus CH3 CO2H partially react and produce H3O plus CH3 CO2, where H2O is a base and CH3 CO2H is acids, it produced H3O acids and CH3CO2 is a base, where H3O is a conjugate acids of H2O and CH3CO2 conjugate base of acetic acids. The definition of pH: pH equal to minus log 10 H3O positive. For example, for pure water, H equal to 1.0 multiply 10 to the power minus 7 m. So pH, the pH of 0.1 m HCl is, find pH, then the pH of 0.1 m NaOH. Classification of pH value: pH less than 7 acidic solution, pH less than neutral solution, pH greater than basic solution. The pH scale इस तरह का होता है कि किस तरह से वैल्यू जो है इसकी ऊपर नीचे होती जाती है. आप देख रहे हैं कि 10 to the power minus 2 stomach acids, lemon juice and by nature acidic होते हैं, neutral pure water, then basic ammonia, household cleaners. So calculate the pH of strong acid in this solution. Example: calculate the pH at 25%, 25 degrees Celsius of an aqueous solution that has in OH concentrations of 1.2 multiply 10 to the power minus 6 m or moles per liter. Solution: the concentration of H plus aqua is H plus into OH equal to Kw. So H plus positive Kw oblique OH, this implies by 10 to the power minus 14 divided by 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 6, which is equal to 8.3 into 10 to the power minus 9. So pH of this one equal to minus log 8.3 into 10 to the power 9, which is equal to 8.1. Now pH 3, 4, 5, 6 acidic, carbonate water, club soda, energy drink, popcorn, cream, cheese, buttermilk, prunes, pastries, pasta, cheese, pork, beer, wine, black tea, pickles, chocolate, roasted nuts, vinegar, sweet and low, equal nutraceuticals. 5. Most purified water, distilled water, coffee, sweetened fruit juice, pistachio, beer, white bread, peanuts, nuts and wheat. Then 6. Fruit juice, most grain, egg, fish, tea, cooked beans, cooked spinach, soy milk, coconut, lima beans, plums, brown rice, barley, cocaya, oats, liver, oyster and salmon. Neutral pH: most tap water, most spring water, sea water, river water, apples, almond, tomatoes, grapefruit, corns, mushrooms, turnip, olive, soya beans, peaches, bell peppers, radish, pineapple, cherries, wild rice, apricot, strawberries, bananas. 9th, avocados, green tea, lettuce, celery, peas, sweet potato, eggplant, green beans, beets, blueberries, pears, grapes, kiwi, melons, tangerines, figs, dates, mangoes, papayas. 10. Spinach, broccoli, artichoke, brussels, cabbage, cauliflower, carrots, cucumber, lemon, limes, sweet, kale radish, collard greens and onions. Now what are salt? In a acid-base reaction, a salt is formed when a metallic ion or an ammonium ion replaced one or more hydrogen ions in an acids. That is zinc hydroxide plus sulfuric acids. This is equal to zinc sulfate plus water. Like ZnOH whole twice solid plus H2SO4 aqua, then produce ZnSO4 aqua plus H2O to form ZnSO4, that means zinc sulfate. Zn2 plus comes from the base ZnOH whole twice, then SO4 comes from sulfuric acid H2SO4. Now properties of salt in the laboratory. Two factors to consider is the salt soluble in water. Second are the starting material soluble in water. Methods of preparing salt. Is the salt is prepared soluble, then reactions with acids, acid plus metal, acid plus base, acid plus carbonate. Is the starting material for making the salt soluble in water? Yes or no? If yes, then titrations method, acid plus alkali solution, acid plus carbonate solution. If no, then reaction with acid, acid plus excess metal, acid plus excess insoluble base, acid plus insoluble carbonate. So salt solution, then concentrating, crystallization and filtration. Salt crystal dry with filter papers.